Hello students, welcome to Sourav sir's classes. Today we are going to give you some information on ISS, that is Indian Statistical Services. Now this exam is conducted by the UPSC, that is Union Public Service Commission. So the UPSC conducts a combined competitive examination for recruitment to grade 4 officers. So this is done for recruitment to grade 4 officers. Now, important dates for the 2000 notification is release of application form 20th March 2019. Last day to apply is 16th April 2019. And the date of examination is 20th June 2019, and it lasts for 3 days. Next, we move on to the eligibility criteria. So the eligibility criteria is you should have a postgraduate degree from an Indian university in statistics or applied statistics or mathematical statistics. Now the eligibility criteria for age is you must have attained the age of 21 years. So minimum age of 21 years and must not have attained the age of 30 years on 1st August of the year of exam, and maximum age is 30 years. The upper limit is relaxable in few cases. Next, we focus on the exam pattern. I'll add a new page for that and we'll begin on a new page. So the exam pattern now it has two parts, part 1 and part 2. The part 1 carries 1000 marks, whereas part 2 carries 200 marks. Now the part 1 consists of 6 papers. They are 1, General English, 2, General Studies, then 3, Statistics 1, which is an objective paper, 4, Statistics 2, which is again an objective paper, 5, Statistics 3, which is a descriptive paper, and 6, Statistics 4, which is again a descriptive paper. Now, the marks for each paper is, for General English, it's 100. For General Studies, it is again 100. For Statistics 1, it is 200. And for all other statistics papers also, it is 200. So this gives you a total of 1000. And the duration for each exam is, so the duration is, for General English, it is 3 hours. For General Studies, it is 3 hours. For Statistics 1 and 2, it is 2 hours each. And for 3 and 4, it is again 3 hours each. Statistics 1 and 2 each have 80 questions, whereas 5 and 6, they have short answer 50% and long answer 50%. At least one short answer and one long answer question from each section is compulsory.